Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. Today's video is going to be about this Ryobi 18-volt string trimmer. And this is in response to a question I had, or a comment I had actually. And what it was is they have a clog. There's something wrapped around the head down here, and it's on the inside. So they said they could get this the bottom part off, but they can't get the cup part off. So let me get you in here and I'll show you how to do that. So once you get that guard removed, you'll need a T20, and this is a T20 right here. And I'll put some links down in the description, so be sure to check those out. And so I use this drill, but if you have a screwdriver, you can do that. But that's what a Torx bit looks like right there. So what you'll do is you'll go in here and you'll remove these screws lefty-loosey, and they'll pull right out. So once you get all the screws backed out and loosened up, you can gently pry up in between these two halves, and this half will pop off, and that'll easily expose this motor. And once you do that, you can just pull this motor out of the housing, and you should be able to clean off any type of clog or anything that's pinched in between here very easily. So to put it back together, we're just going to go backwards of our removal, and make sure you tuck all the wires back in so they don't get pinched or anything inside of here when you go to reinstall everything. So there you go. That was pretty easy to get this pulled apart, so I'm just going to put this back together. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.